All right, so for 6.1, we learned how to multiply fractions. We looked at different diagrams or ways of representing them, but for this one, we're going to just do the mathematical way. So when we have fractions, all right, we were working with proper fractions, right? That's what they're called. And then we were working with whole numbers. But we learned that what we can actually do with this 4 is we can put it over a denominator of 1. So this can become 4 over 1 times 5 over 8. Now the reason we can do this, okay, and we can put that 1 in, because the number of pieces in 4, okay, so if we drew this out as a picture, okay, that's 4 holes colored in, okay, whole pieces. This 1 represents the fact that these pies, okay, or these circles, are broken up into just one piece, okay? There's no other pieces, okay? For this one, for example, this pie would have 8 pieces. Okay? So this denominator number is the total number of parts, okay? And that's really important to know going forward. Right? So a way we could represent this is, right, okay, well, we have a rectangle, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we color in 5 of those, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right, and we would have this rectangle 4 times, right? So we would color in that 5, so this is 5 out of 8, okay, and we would need to do that 4 times. Right, so let's draw another rectangle with 8 pieces, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we color in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this right here is another 5 over 8, so that's twice now. Then we need to color in another 5 over 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3 times. Okay, we're almost done. Right, and then we need to color in our last 5 over 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if we count up all the pieces that are colored in, we have 16 total here, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 total pieces colored in. Okay. Out of, well, how many pieces, okay, was that one whole split up into? Okay, so if we look at it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 total pieces, okay, in one whole. Okay, remember we went up here, okay, it's the total number of pieces in one whole, okay? And this top number is the total number of colored pieces. And that helps us kind of distinguish. Okay, but then if we look at this, we can actually reduce this fraction a bit more. We can go 20 over 8. We can divide the top and the bottom by 2. And we get 10 over 4. Right? And we can go one more time because we're not quite done. We can divide the top and the bottom by 2 again. And we get 5 over 2. Right? And that would be an improper fraction. Right? If I converted this to a mixed number, we look at our picture, we've got 2 holes colored in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 more out of 8. Here's a mixed number. So you could do it both ways. If we were to do this mathematically, which is actually a little bit easier, we've got 4 over 1 times 5 over 8. All we do is we multiply these two numbers together to get 20. And we multiply these two numbers together to get 8. All right, and then from here we would reduce. So we could divide the top and the bottom by 4 to get 5 over 2. Okay. If it asks you, okay, to put it into a mixed number, then again, 2 goes into 5 2 times, right? And we have 1 over 2 left over. Okay? And that is how you would solve a question like that.